In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the steering rack bushings on your Toyota Tundra. Let's get into it. Using two 22mm wrenches, we're going to remove the nut off of the steering rack bolt. Pull it out through the front. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. You have to go in through the top. If you reach your arm around these lines right here, you'll be able to get to it. I'm going to use a socket on a 1/2-inch bar. Remove the bolt. Using a 19mm wrench, remove the nut off of the bottom. Remove the nut. Using a 19mm socket, remove the bolt on the top of the rack. Pull the bolt out. Using a small pry bar, remove the bracket. Using a pry bar, pull the rack backwards to gain access to the bushings. Using a bolt, I'm going to put it through a 1/2-inch 27mm socket with a nut on the top. We're going to put that together. And we're going to use the nut on the top. We're going to hold that, and the socket's going to come up here. And then as we tighten the bolt down, it's going to pull this metal spacer out of the bushing, and it'll be easier for us to pull the bushings out. We're going to tighten our bolt down. Pull the bushing out. Take your new bushings, slide them into the top and the bottom. Slide the little spacer in. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to just even it out, like that. Using a big pair of pliers and a pry bar, we're going to grab onto the end of this bushing with the metal washer. You're going to wiggle it back and forth while prying on the end. The hardest part about this is getting this inner lip through, but as soon as that's through, this should pull out pretty easy. Remove the bushing. Insert the bushings on both sides. Squeeze them together and make sure they're fully seated. Grab the spacer, put it through. can use a large pair of pliers to help you push the spacer all the way through the two bushings. Get it even on both sides. Remove the bushing off the rack and install the new one. Just like that. And put our bracket back on. I'm going to use a soft-faced hammer to help reinstall. I'm going to get the top bolt started. And the nut on the bottom. And then we're going to snug those down. Install the bolt. We're going to line up the rack. And tap our bolt through. We're going to reuse the washer. And start the nut on the other side. Using a small punch to help align the rack. Install the bolt through the rack. Now we're going to snug it down. You're going to use a pry bar to help you align this hole. You're going to want to press on the cast part of the rack. And I'm pivoting on the trans. And be sure to not pinch the lines at all. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bracket nut and bolt to 123 foot-pounds. Torque the middle bolt to 123 foot-pounds. Torque this bolt to 96 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.